L&H Industrial is a heavy industrial manufacturing company. We work in oil and gas and mining. We're a very diversified heavy industrial company for manufacturing and repair. We're focused on the largest machines on earth. You've got a $50 or $100 million asset. You can't just throw it away and buy a new one. We go in with our people and completely reverse engineer it and start designing and manufacturing and repairing that machine for the rest of its life. We recently added digital technology and AI into our offering. We can now monitor machines. So we'll continue finding the next thing that the customers need and care about.
You have to be constantly evolving. And having the latest technology is imperative to stay competitive in this fast-paced world.
If anybody wants to do big things, it takes a network, and MEP is an important part of that network.
My name is Kevin Kershiznik with Manufacturing Works, part of the MEP National Network. Our job is to get out there and help the manufacturers succeed with their businesses, whether they're a startup entrepreneur or a seasoned business like L&H.
No company is too small to be concerned about cybersecurity. We all have IP that we need to protect, and it should be protected at all costs.
Manufacturing Works was able to work with L&H and a third party so L&H could receive their CMMC certification. What they needed was to be certified for government contracts.
The CMMC is to protect the defense industrial base's sensitive, unclassified information.
Cybersecurity is super important for you and all of the people you're working with. We have to have a pretty high level to work for people like Northrop Grumman and NASA, and that's their first question is how secure is our information with you? All of these networks and all this information that we have on our phones and on our computers, it's critical. We have to stay on that.
The MEP National Network has access to all the latest and greatest information regarding certifications.
It's very important to have a partner such as Manufacturing Works because of the diversity that we're striving for. By diversifying out into government contracts, we're able to further our reach into other areas of manufacturing.
The only things for sure is change and advancement. MEPs are there to help you understand that and adapt to that, and they can help you excel well beyond the normal competitor. Every manufacturer in the United States has access to these people that are incredibly good and care about helping that person get to where they want to go.
L&H and what they've been able to do, starting from a mom and pop machine shop based in the U.S., based in Gillette, Wyoming. It's a phenomenal success story, and you can see it, the energy and the people continuing to want to make things successful.
It's my life's work, and I'm surrounded by a bunch of people that I love to be around. So I'm excited to show up every day and make things and fix things and learn what's next.